For more than 20 years, Dr. Zane Obagi has been leading the skincare industry with the Obagi products for anti-aging and skin health. And Kristie, Bair, and Dr. Dean Bair of Bair Medical Spa join us to explore these proven skincare products that are designed really to help you revitalize, enhance, and maintain beautiful skin for life. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And as always, your skin is looking quite beautiful. And so really, as I always say, you're the picture of beauty, and you really know everything you're talking about, not just from the standpoint of being medical professionals, but you practice what you preach. And so I really want to talk a little bit about this skincare line, because a lot of people are questioning, what's the best skincare line for me? So talk about the Obagi Skin Care System, and basically, why do they differ from any other products that are on the market right now?
Okay, thank you first of all for saying we have beautiful skin.
Well, it's true.
What makes and they actually pronounce it Obagi, but what
Obagi,
makes it,
and I say Obagi.
what makes
Sorry
it
about
different, it's prescription grade skincare, and it actually causes the skin to change on a cellular level.
What does that mean to somebody who doesn't understand?
The Flagship System is the new derm.
Okay.
And it exfoliates.
Okay.
It has ingredients that go down into the cellular level and suppress pigment, so it helps pigment.
Okay.
Its delivery system allows then retin A, that is part of this, to penetrate, repair DNA, increase collagen, and repair the cells. Wow. So this is termed a cosmeceutical because it is a prescription, which is much different than what you can buy at the department store or pharmacies.
Let me ask you a quick question. I know you said retin A, and I remember even as a child when I used to go to the dermatologist, they'd say if you're using anything with retin A, you have to stay away from the sun. Is that still true?
You have to be somewhat cautious about it, but this also includes very effective sunblocks.
Oh, good.
And actually, over time, your skin becomes accustomed to the effects of the retin A, and you become much more tolerant. It's that transition period that is sometimes tough to get through.
Right, but you have to be patient, because at the end, it's obviously the results are worth it. So let me ask you this then: how long after beginning the entire Obagi? By the way, Obagi, I apologize for that. Oh my goodness. How long after will we begin to notice the changes?
On the new derm system, it takes 45 days, which is the skin cell cycle. That's how long it takes for your skin cells to reproduce themselves. So you go through a period of time where you're a little red and a little inflamed. But then at 45 days you start seeing an improvement, and that improvement continues as you build new collagen, new cells, and by 60 to 70 days your skin's looking really good.
Oh, I bet.
But there's 3 different systems, and the Cleansiderm, which is for acne prone skin. So a lot of teenagers or 20-somethings who are having adult onset acne, that's a great system for them, and they're going to see results more quickly than 45 days. And
I think that's what makes a good skincare system good, is the fact that they cater to different types of skin and different types of age groups, because everybody has different needs. So to know you can use the same line but a different specific product itself. I think that's great.
Because the new derm that he was talking about,
which one is this
is
now?
really for again, as I like to say, people of my age, a certain age, where you're really trying to repair damage that has been done over the last 20 to 30 years. This is for someone in their 20s or 30s who doesn't have the damage that I have, but they're trying to protect and prevent.
And
so that's more preventative.
That's based on vitamin C. It's called the CRX system. So it's an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant. It does have some components to reduce pigment, but it's more of a preventive. It is fewer steps to it. This is very clinically active. So yeah, they're teenagers, 20s, 30s, and older.
And up. I'll just say and up. And I want to also ask you this, because you say basically give yourself about 45 days, stay patient, because you will see those results. Then from that point forward, how long do those results last, and how do you continue to maintain?
You continue to use it. Because again, this is a medical grade line. You continue to use it. What we see people do realistically, and what I have done realistically, is then you kind of adjust the steps that you know you really need.
Got it. Okay.
You figure out, you know, after you've gone through the process of using, for example, this one with the 6 or 7 steps, then you kind of figure out what really is working for you, what you need to continue.
And it becomes really your daily skincare regime after a while. And like you said, it's just certain things. You might know that maybe the nighttime cream works a little bit better for you, or it's whatever it is specifically that you need to use. And will you be able to guide somebody? I mean, let's be realistic. Some people come in, maybe somebody like myself in their 30s, and they think, oh, I'm still in the preventative mode, and you're thinking, actually, you need to get to the repair mode. You know what I mean? So will you be able to guide somebody honestly?
Honestly, yeah. And oftentimes, you know, someone that comes in with, you know, that kind of attitude, we'll start them on the CRX. We'll start taking care of that, and then kind of bump it up, or incorporate some of these products with those products as needed. You know, I always tell people, you know, you brush your teeth twice a day.
That's right.
You need to take care of your skin the same way.
That's a great point. And I know also a lot of pregnant women complain about getting breakouts and acne, so it might be good for them to consider that as well.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
As well as the melasma afterwards. This is great for that hyperpigmentation.
Fantastic. And let's remind everybody where they can go for more information.
They can give us a call at 881-1532. We're up on Paseo del Norte in Ventura Place Center.
Perfect. Great information as always. Thank you both so much.
Thank you.
And personal chef and caterer Jan Laird can cook for you, but better yet, she can teach the kids to cook for you. Find out how coming up next on New Mexico Style.